Hubient Talents. My name is Sky Bambie and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my first ever coffee machine. I am very excited. I've never had a coffee machine before, so I'm really excited. This one also has a frother as well. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm going to try and open this. I just got my nails done as well, like Jujutsu Kaisen anime style. So I can't really open up anything with them. So it's going to be interesting seeing me open this. I'm going to try my best. I mean, scissors is your best friend. Yeah, let's get started. So now I'm going to open up, I think it's just the cup for the milk. Just a cup of the milk. Easy frother. I'm gonna be like a full barista. Like, it's gonna be great. I just have to figure out what goes on top of that. Is it this thing? I feel like there's another piece to be able to do that. All right, let's try opening this. We have the fancy thing that you put the coffee grind. Coffee grind? What's it called? Grains. Oh my, why am I saying grinds?
It's coffee grounds.
Grounds.
Grounds,
Oh my gosh, okay. Obviously I still need my coffee for this morning to get my brain to wake up. So we have coffee grounds. Is this the filters? Fancy. So we have single wall filter. We have the dual wall filter. Cool. Fancy. Instructions, accessories. What is that? Why is there a tablet in my accessories? Is that to clean it? Anyway. And then we got these thingies as well. No idea what they are. The razor. Does trimming tool for 54mm filter baskets. What? No idea what it's for, but I guess I may have to read the instructions. And the last part of the top layer is this thingy-majig. So I had to get assistance because I could not lift it out of the box, but now it is out of the box. Now I have to separate the foam. There we go. Or not. There we go. Then that is for that. Then this goes up there. much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I am definitely enjoying having a coffee machine now. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you have an amazing day. Make sure to like and subscribe, HUBient, and I will talk to you later. Well, I'll see you later. You'll see me later. Bye. Hello gamers, HUBient is proudly sponsored by Deskin, a remote access app that enables a smooth, steady and secure remote connection across computers, phones and other devices. Immersive Auto 3D Game View. Automatically switch to 3D Game View during remote access in all FPP or TPP games. Interactive full HD experience. Image quality up to 4K or 2K. Fully enjoy AAA games from remote places, no lag, no latency. Customize your game keyboard. Customize your keyboard with special buttons, combinations for specific games. Instant button response for smooth, seamless control. Going over to a friend's place but don't want to carry your PC with you? Download Deskin and play your PC game anywhere, anytime with your laptop, mobile or tablet. Start enjoying games from anywhere, anytime now. Click the link in the description and use code HUBDESK10 for 10% off now.